The cabin air filter in this 2024 Honda Accord is located behind the glove box. First, open the glove box. Push the stopping arm down to unfasten it. Push the bolt side of glove box inwards and let it drop down. And you can then remove the glove box. You should see the cabin air filter location now. Then remove the housing cover. Take the old filter out and clean the debris left inside the cabin. Install the new filter. The airflow direction should be pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. When install the glove box, this part should be attached to here. Next step, push the glove box upwards. Don't close it completely. Reattach the stopping arm. Pull it down and then pull it up towards you until you hear a click. Then close the glove box. That's it. Super easy. Visit Freshen Up today to shop for your cabin air filter.